Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we are going to talk about the latest and the newest Huawei WatchFit. It has everything that you need to keep your fitness in check, and we're going to find out what all it has in the box and what all it carries in terms of solution to help you stay fitter and healthier. Let's get straight on to looking at what's inside the box, and while I do that, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you continue to get all the notification and I continue to get all the motivation to keep bringing these awesome videos to you. Let's get straight on to it. Hello guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to talk about the Huawei WatchFit. As we unboxed it, we found a beautiful watch and a beautiful looking charger. It has this proprietary snap fit to it. We're going to try it out right now to see how the charger works, and then we can focus on the watch and what it does for us. It is, as you can see, a magnetic snap right here direction, and you just plug it in any USB port and you are good to go. And one beautiful thing about this is that it keeps itself charged for over 10 days. So once you charge this up, you're good to go for 10 days. Let's get straight on to looking at what carries. As I turned it on, it straight away gives us an option of various languages. So we're going to select English and then we are good to go. Now this has a 1.64 inch AMOLED display, which is 456 by 280 HD. It's got 4 GB of memory in it to keep all your health data secure and in there right all the times. It has 2.4 gigahertz processing power, a Bluetooth 5.0, and it is water resistant to up to 5 meters. It's 5 ATM water resistant as well, which is pretty awesome. And also at the same time, when you look at the health feature it has, they are quite amazing as well. It has, of course, all the sensors. It's got, the accelerometer, the gyroscope, which all the phones and hard and smart devices normally carry today. But what makes this watch very interesting is it has an optical heart rate sensor which monitors your heart 24 hours. It also has oxygen saturation detection, sleep monitoring so that you can get a good night's sleep. But one of my favorites is the Huawei True Relax technology. That means it monitors and tracks your stress level. This is a proprietary algorithm they have, and I am really looking forward to see how stressed I am when I'm working and creating these videos and preparing the content strategy for these videos, because this is gonna be so cool. But yes, if you're able to track your stress, you're able to try to find ways to get rid of it so that you can stay healthier. Along with that, another beautiful thing it has, which I'm going to show you in the videos later part of the video, is it has 12 kind of animated workout videos already stored in it. So all you have to do is pick one of your liking and start working out to go along with it. It'll help you, guide you through the process as well. It has 44 standard movement demonstrations. It has 96 workout modes. Guys, this is one watch that you need it on your wrist to keep yourself fitter and healthier throughout the day, and with one charge for up to 10 days. And this is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off. But before I say my usual goodbyes, can I please press you to give us a thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment there and let us know what you think about it. And again, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification icon and get a chance to win amazing prizes. This is your friend the Great Lobbyist saying goodbye. Peace.